Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make newspaper format. First, let's get your document set up correctly. Standard newspaper dimensions are often around 15 inches by 22 inches, providing ample space for content. Remember to set your margins to at least 1/2 inch on all sides. This creates a clean, professional border. Most importantly, utilize a multi-column layout, typically 5 to 6 columns wide, which is crucial for readability and traditional newspaper aesthetics. This foundation is key to a successful design. Next, let's talk about the grid and column structure, which is the backbone of any newspaper layout. Establishing a consistent grid system is vital for organized content placement, ensuring everything aligns perfectly. You'll want to maintain uniform column widths, typically around 2 inches each, to create a predictable reading flow. Also, use a gutter width of 1/8 to 1/4 inch between columns. This small space prevents text from feeling cramped. A well-defined grid makes your newspaper easy to navigate and visually appealing. Now let's dive into typography, a critical element for readability and visual appeal. For body text, select a clear, readable serif font such as Times New Roman, which is traditional and easy on the eyes. For headlines, use sans serif fonts. They create a strong visual contrast and grab attention effectively. Remember to vary font sizes for hierarchy. Headlines should be large and impactful, while body text typically ranges from 10 to 12 points. Thoughtful font choices guide your readers through the content effortlessly. Finally, let's discuss integrating visuals and headlines effectively. Place compelling images strategically to break up large blocks of text, making your pages more engaging. Ensure your headlines are concise, informative, and accurately reflect the content of the article, drawing readers in. Always use captions for all images, providing essential context in a brief, clear sentence. Thoughtful placement of visuals and strong headlines are key to creating an impactful and professional newspaper format that captures your audience's attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.